transition, a little combo I stumbled upon the other day, and I like it so much I want to do a tutorial. From the pinned body laces, when you bend down, right into the next spin. There is an extra tutorial on the pinned body laces, and you should be comfortable with the neck spin already. And for this version, make sure you can do the outwards neck spin, so from spinning outwards, right into the neck spin. Now, how does this all work? Start here with the handle on the sofa side. You do these bent down pinned body laces, so you can start here with the whip hanging over your back. Then your hand goes over here to the handle, guides the fibers back and forth, front and behind. And one time you get here and grab the fibers again for the next lace around. You just get to this point, so you don't lace fully around, but you stop right in the middle at this length more or less, and then you push the handle up so that you end up in this outward spin. Once you go into that, you start here, you're lacing, and then when you come here, lacing around your back, stop here, push the handle up and spin outwards. And then you also leave this bent down position and stand upright again. When you got that and you got spinning on a clean wall plane, you can try the next step if you're comfortable with the neck spins. So you get to here, push, then the whip comes down, and in this, when you got the upswing here, you change your position to an upright position, but you leave your neck in the way of the whip, so then you can go right into the next spin. Once again, you're lacing to here, push the handle, and right into the next spin. If you try that at first, you maybe need 1 or 2 spins in between here on wall plane before you get to the next spin, but eventually you can do just in one motion. Show with the other side. So you bend down, do your pinned laces here, then when you lace around the back, stop here, then you push the handle up and end up in this outward spin. Change your body position, and then you can go into the next spin. At first you might need 1 or 2 spins in between before you can go into the next spin, but eventually you can do it in one motion. So here you do your pinned body laces, stop lacing here, push the handle, and give it the next spin.